Hello everyone, welcome back to TechSjams. In today's video, I will show you how to turn now bar features on or off on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's get started. First, open the setting app on your Samsung phone. Next, scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Then tap on now bar. On this page, tap see all or view all. This will open the live notification settings. Here you will find different features that can appear in the now bar, including audio broadcast, clock, emergency, sharing, Google Finance, Google Wallet, interpreter, media player, and sports from Google, like everything. And simply turn these features on or off depending on what information you want to see on your lock screen. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Samsung tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.